So I just went in just a little while ago and I pulled this one frame out. So it's kind of like this. So our boxes consist of these little frames that are all put in there that the bees make the honeycomb on.
So cool. It's not that there's a hole up here, but you can actually see the bees.
Where this part up here, they'll have a special one that they can just put over. And some of them are tougher than I am because I don't like to get stung. There's been some pests that have come over from different countries overseas. The bees here don't really have any kind of natural way to fight off. It's like kind of like almost like a little tick that gets on you, bites you. It's a mite, though. It's called the varroa mite. They drink your blood, and then when they get down in these cells that I was showing you, the mites will actually get down in here and they'll hide behind these larvae, and that's where they reproduce. So one goes in, 5 come out. And they grow really exponentially, and it can be really the worst thing that bees have to face right now. This just gives you a tool that you can page through. You can crack the boxes in half if they're stacked up.
Yes. Which way do we go? Fingers can't get through there. Really? Why are they trying to come out?
It's a frame of honey. So the bees, when it's ready for us to take or has cured, they put this little layer of beeswax over the outside of it, and that means that the moisture level in it's right, and it's ready. Yeah, so there's honey inside. So this side there's
I want to do
I
this.
sell my bees.
Oh.
Bees are ready.
Trying to come out. It looks like they hate their It looks like they Mom, it's 10:39.
Questions? We have all the people here in purple shirts. You can ask any of these ambassadors for help. If you are a you can ask them to help with it. So if you